Good morning, sir.
Good morning, students.
May I come in, sir?
Come in, Nikki. You are very late today.
Sorry, sir.
It's okay. So, students, today we are going to learn about latitudes and longitudes through this smart board in the smart class.
Parallels of latitude. Equator. The equator is the imaginary circle drawn around the globe exactly halfway between the two poles. These two poles are North Pole and the South Pole. Each point on the equator lies exactly halfway between the North Pole and the South Pole. Therefore, the imaginary circle cuts the globe into two equal parts called hemispheres. Hemi means half. The part of the globe which lies to the north of the equator is called northern hemisphere, while the part which lies to the south is called southern hemisphere. India is in the northern hemisphere, while Australia is in the southern hemisphere. Look at this picture.
You have learned that the equator is the reference line of locating places in the north and south directions. We need a reference line to locate places in the east and west directions also. This is because all places lying on the same parallel of latitude, say 50 degree north, will have the same of latitude 50 degree north. Therefore, a place cannot be located uniquely by its latitude alone.
Heat zones are of three types: torrid zone, temperate zones, frigid zones. Torrid zone. This zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. The word torrid means hot. This zone is the hottest zone of the earth as it receives relatively direct rays of the sun throughout the year. It is also known as the tropical zone. About half of India lies in this zone. Temperate zones. Between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the north and the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the south are two zones of moderate temperature called temperate zones. Temperate means moderate. The sun never shines on these areas vertically. In fact, the angle of sun's rays keeps decreasing as one moves from the tropics to the poles. Since the rays of the sun are always slanted, these areas receive much less heat than the torrid zone. Frigid zones beyond the Arctic Circle in the north and the Antarctic Circle in the south, the sun never rises much above the horizon. So, these two zones get the least amount of heat. They are the coldest regions of the earth. These two zones are called frigid zones.
Bye bye.
Please like and subscribe our channel.
Learn
Learn
something
something
new,
new,
G.
G.